Hello guys, so in this video we will see how to use the WhatsApp Pro. It's a WhatsApp marketing software. So first you have to enter the number to which you want to send the message. Okay, there are multiple ways to enter the numbers. First thing is you can double click it and you can directly enter the number. Okay, you can manually enter the name. This is one way. Another way you can do is you can just right click it and you can copy paste. You can copy the numbers from somewhere and you can paste it here. Third way is you can upload the Excel. So there is a format, a proper format for that. The format should be, the first column should be number, the second column should be name. First you need to have a heading like name, number and name, and the first column should be number and second column should be name. You don't need to have the country code in the Excel. You can easily add it in the software itself as a bulk action. So once you enter the number here, you can right click it and you can add the country code at one shot. Don't use plus, you just need to add 91. So after that you have to click the start campaign button. So you need to write some message, this message, and I am going to dynamically call the name. Okay, the format is something like this. So I'm going to start the campaign. So campaign name, you can enter anything. So it opens the WhatsApp web. So wait for some time until it opens. So very first time it asks you to scan. So you can scan it. So right now I am going to scan. Wait for some time until it gets opened. So once the WhatsApp web is opened, the status here will be turned to initialized. So you have to wait until it gets initialized and it turns to green color. Okay, then you can click the start button to start the campaign. If you want to pause, you can pause. If you want to stop, you can stop. So message has been sent successfully, and after it is sent, you will the report will be generated and you can check the report here, and we will just see now whether the message has been delivered or not. Yes, the message has been successfully delivered. So you can also send message along with any files or documents or images. Okay, right now I'm adding on file just for an idea. Just an image. Okay, I'm adding this image. So if you want to send image along with the text, so you don't need to enter text here and you can add it as a caption. Okay, I'm saving it and I'm starting the campaign. So it is initialized. I'm clicking start button, and you have you noted that it is also included the name dynamically. Okay, so if you, yeah, the message has been delivered successfully. So there is a spelling mistake in the name, that's why it is not correctly sent to the name here. Okay, I'm just resending it, you can check it. Okay, save, I'm sending again. Image along with the text has been delivered along with the name. Okay, so this is how you can send bulk message. Okay, you can also upload any numbers and you can send, and it is not a spamming tool. So I have detailed voice note on this regarding this banning. So listen that and use this. It is not a spamming tool, so you have to use it with your caution. Okay, and there is also an option to send group messages. Okay, so you can enter all the group IDs here, whatever the group you are in. Okay, you can add the IDs here and you can send the message to the groups. I will show this little later. We'll go to the third option where we are having so many additional add-ons features. Okay, the first one is group members. So you can grab the group contacts from the groups you have joined. Okay, for example, I'm just clicking this. It is initialized one. I'm just clicking start grabbing and it will show all the groups you have joined. Okay, for example, I select one group and I select this. I'm saving this. So I'm going to check the group Excel which is saved. See, all the members in the group has been exported. Okay, so like that you can also select multiple groups and you can export the contacts from the groups. So there is an auto responder bot which is we have a separate video for that, contact list grabber. So you can get all the saved contacts, whatever the contacts you saved in your PC, in your WhatsApp, that can be exported. You can grab all the groups you have joined. Okay, when I click this, so it will be saved. So when I open it, so these are all the groups you have joined. Okay, these are all the groups you are in. So to these groups you can send messages. As I said earlier, you can also send group messages. Okay, right? Our second option. So here you can upload this Excel and you can send messages to these groups. Okay, this is the group message option, and it's the next thing is Google Map Extractor. So you can use this. Just click start and search something like restaurants in Chennai. You can search any business across the globe. Okay, just add it and click search. So it will open the Google business profiles. So after it opens, just minimize it and it shows initialized. Okay, now if you want to grab the images which is having in their business profile, you can enable this or you can leave it. If you want the email ID also, just click this and click start grabbing. So once you start, it will grab all the details like name, mobile number, review count, rating, category. There are 16 fields. Okay, whatever the fields available with that particular business, all the things will be exported, will be grabbed, and we can export those details in the Excel format. So it started grabbing. So there are some little time delay we have set so that your IP will not be blocked by the Google, okay, while scrapping. See, whatever the profiles, whatever the details available, it will export. So this is how it works. Auto group joiner, you can automatically join groups, okay. So if you have some group IDs, okay, so you can automatically join those groups. I will come to this feature little later. Another thing is a WhatsApp filter. WhatsApp filter means if you have some set of numbers with you, you can check whether the number is available with the WhatsApp or not. For example, I randomly select some number. I don't know whose number is this. I'm just entering 10 numbers and I click start button. It will show you whether this number is available in WhatsApp or not. So right now this number is not available in the WhatsApp. So it will show not available. So if you have some set of numbers or contacts, you want to segregate which one is available in WhatsApp and not, you can use this feature and you can easily identify. You can identify and you can export this. The next thing is grab active group members. Means if you want to export only the active members who are frequently engaging in the group, you can export that. Next one is grab chat list. Okay, means you might have contacted so many people for your business, regarding the business in WhatsApp. So you might not save all the numbers, but you want to export all the chats you have done in the WhatsApp. Okay, chat numbers. So for that you can click here and you can save it in single click. So when I go and see the Excel, see for me there are 517 contacts I'm having, chats I'm having in my WhatsApp right now. So it exports all the numbers along with the profile names. Next one is bulk add group members. Okay, so if you have some set of numbers and you want to add it to your particular group, okay, for those function you can do that using this feature. So you can add all the numbers here or you can upload Excel here and you can click initiate and it will be added to the group. It will ask which group you should add. Okay, for example, if I'm giving some number, okay, and when I click initiate, oh, it's already initialized, sorry. When I click start, it will ask you to which group it needs to be added, because all these groups are created by me. So it is asking to which group it should be added. Okay, for example, right now I want to add this number to this group. Okay, I'm just selecting it and yes, this number is added to this group. Okay, and the result has been generated as an Excel. So when I go here and check, see, this number has been added. Recently this number has been added to this group. Okay, so this feature can be very much useful for the coaches and consultants or people who want to add members to the group. The only thing is the number should be saved in your contacts because it is a new WhatsApp rule. So if you want to add bulk members to the group, those numbers should be added in your contacts before you trying to add. That is a new rule. Next one is group finder. This is a very interesting feature. So if you want to be part of some group related to your industry, for example clothing. Okay, I'm just giving clothing. When I click start, from the web it starts crawling all the groups related to the clothing WhatsApp groups. Okay, so right now it is 70, 80, 90. So right now I'm stopping it. So you can export these details into Excel, or if you want to join these groups, you can just click this in a single button and it will be added to this group joiner. And when you click start, you will be automatically added to these groups. Okay, you can set the delay settings here and you can automatically add it to these groups. Okay, two things. One is you can export directly to the Excel and you can manually join, or you can just single click it and it will be added to the group joiner. The last thing is bulk group generator. Okay, if you want to, for example, if you are coach or consultant and if you want to add peoples to the multiple groups, okay, you can generate groups. Okay, for example, if I want to create 5 groups, okay, I want to create 5 groups. The prefix for that is test. Okay, I want to create a test group. Increment is 1. Group suffix is empty. I want to default number. Default number is my number. I can add my number. And I want to create 5 groups. Okay. Just I am validating it and I am starting it. So 2 groups has been created successfully. I am checking here. See, automatically it is creating group. So you don't need to manually create a group. You can automatically create bulk groups. And to these groups you can bulk add group members. We are also having a feature here. So wait for it to complete. Yeah, it's done. So right now we have created groups bulk. So we can also add members to these groups. Okay, see, there is another feature I already showed you. You can bulk add numbers to the groups. Okay, for example, again I want to add some number. Okay, see, the groups we have created, it is showing. So I can select and it will be added. Okay, yeah, it's done. See, to this group a person has been added. So it is a very powerful software with a great add-ons. So you can use it for your genuine marketing campaigns, and all the best for your business marketing and business success. Thank you.